Fifth Amendment. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia when in actual service in time of war or public danger. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor deprived of life, liberty, or pursuit of happiness without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. Now that first part of it basically defines that unless you are in the military or the civil militia, or we're in a time of war or actual emergency, you can't just be held. You have to have a grand jury indictment on a murder charge. And that part is pretty understandable. And I'm sure infamous crimes covers a whole bunch of stuff. Child molestation, a rape, murder, a capital offense. When actual service in time of war or public danger. Public danger being one of those ones where, as I was saying, like Hurricane Katrina with problems they had in Louisiana. So the first part of the Fifth Amendment deals mostly with, whether or not they can charge you with the crime and how they're allowed to hold you if they charge you with it. The double jeopardy. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb. You can't be brought up on a murder charge and then win or have it dismissed and have them present the same murder charge later. Once you beat a case, that case is done. That's our American judicial system. That's why a lot of our prosecutors are so gung-ho to make sure that they get everything right the first time through. If you beat their case and you're found not guilty, their case is screwed forever. Be it a parking ticket, a murder, be it a bank robbery. Nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself. That right there. This is what people are referring to when they say, I plead the Fifth. They're using the Fifth Amendment's statement of self-incrimination. That's the right to not self-incriminate. You can't be forced, basically, to rat yourself out. Nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Now that part of it means they can't just seize your shit without just compensation. Now, the Fifth Amendment has several items that it protects you. I mean, it protects you with you not being charged with, murder without there being some sort of indication that they think they can go forward with it. It protects you from double jeopardy, from being charged with the same crime twice. It protects you from being a witness against yourself, the right to prevent self-incrimination. It prevents your property from just being seized without due process, and it prevents your land from being just used for public use without you being compensated.